Hey everybody, market's been closed now for a few hours and I just want to check in to go over today's trades. Just full disclosure, I'm trading an Apex $50,000 combine account. That means that this account has not gone through the evaluation process yet and I'm looking to get funded by Apex. So join me along for my journey to get funded by Apex. Starting off on the daily chart here, just looking at this higher time frame supply zone kind of between, what is it, 3600 or 4600, 4640 area, and we're just kind of coming up into that range today, and it's coming into play yesterday and today. So I was looking for shorts because we got this higher time frame idea, we're getting stuffed going up into there. Price is really slowing down as we get there now. We've got some uptrend happening as well, just like that little uptrend there. If we zoom in a bit, see a few of my areas here, but let's drop down to the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart here. This is really what we're looking at today, is this big zone above. So there's going to be lots of sellers coming to this 4600 area because we're really not that far off all-time highs now. If you look here, all-time highs were, what's that, 48.12, 48.14. Like, we're really not far off at this point. That's only 200 points, 240 points. Like, we're going to blow through these highs if they start printing money again. Say if they start lowering interest rates, inflation starts to drop. Okay, let's start pushing interest rates again. This is going to fly. We're going to have new all-time highs for sure if that happens. But 1 hour chart here. So we're looking at this big daily area, and then also if I go to this here, it's kind of our demand zone where he pushed off pre-market there, got stuffed into this daily area, sold off back into here. I guess technically speaking, you could say that this is also a demand zone here. This is also a demand zone here. But really, for this kind of play, I want to take a quick profit because, we are in an overall uptrend. So I want to be taking my profits more quickly when I'm not trading with the overall trend. So let's jump down into 5 minute here. And these are my executions. Let me just get my drawing tool up for y'all. So trade number 1 here. What I was thinking is we made this big drive up, sold off a little bit, and what we did here was actually did like a little bit of a liquidity sweep. So we pushed up and sold back into, we have this bearish candle here on the 5 minute chart, but I had my stop really tight, maybe just 2 ticks over the high a day, got taken out. So we did another sell-off here, came back into this previous bearish candle formation that I shorted on previously, and then this time around I shorted because one, if you look right here on the RSI, we're starting to get a bit of a bearish divergence, right? So say let's get our line tool here. Oh, where is it? Line tool, bearish divergence like this. See, down sloping, up sloping. So we have price moving up, but RSI moving down. That's, a bearish divergence. That's another trigger that I like to see in order to confirm my trades. So I took this short here, got in with 4 contracts right here. So that would be 1010 or 1005 10 or 955. Sold off, came back into the fair value gap for this 5 minute candle. Again, another delta rotation to the negative side on the footprint charts. These are my footprints that I look at. They kind of just give you an idea of the delta rotations. This one's a 15-minute. Oftentimes I'll trade on the Renko one as well. So came in, got short 2 more, so added to my position another half size, and then sold off. I covered 2/3 of my position into here, so that's 4 of my 6 contracts. And then when we started to break over the VWAP and hold over this EMA here, I decided that I should close my position and just get on with my day. Had a great trade, one and done, or I guess, one small attempt and then one proper trade. I just wanted to get out for the morning and go get on with my day and enjoy it, right? Because that's what we're all here for. Make some money in the morning and then take off and enjoy the rest of the day. So, 2 trades, fantastic second trade. I was watching this here. This would have been another kind of divergence entry as well, a trap over the high. I was watching this one but I couldn't convince myself to take another trade because I had already, kind of made it for the day. See there, another divergence. Let's look. I know it's starting to get a little uptrend, downtrend, divergence. That would have been another fantastic trade. I probably wouldn't have been taking the longs off any of these just because we're really starting to see these bearish movements coming out of this daily supply zone. But so those are my 2 trades for the day. One small loss and then one fantastic winner. If you guys want to ask me more about my trading setups, the tools that I use, i.e. Apex or Sierra charts, how I use my footprints, just comment down below what else you'd like to see. If you're curious about Apex at all, I have a link below. It's a little affiliate link. It'll get you the best deal on any of their accounts. They go from $25,000 to $300,000, and you just have to go through this evaluation process that I'm doing right now. So join me along for the ride, and let's get this account funded. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow.